boy 200 here with another video, here with another video, here with another video.
Hey guys, it's Tornado Boy 200 here, and today we're doing an unboxing video. So I went to the flea market and bought these. They were about $5 at Litchfield Peddler. For those of y'all that lives in Litchfield, Kentucky area. And kids, if you're watching this video, you're gonna love this. And it has something to do with some of my video games. Let's see what I have. I got these bags of Wrestlers here, and you're gonna be jealous of me. This is John Morrison. Let's see, for those of y'all kids that are in WWE, this is John Morrison. I can make your hands clap. My brother even got him some wrestlers as well. This is Jim Ross, aka JR. There's one, he's missing his hat. His cowboy hat. But this is what he looks. I wish they had Jerry Lawler. I would love to see what Jerry Lawler looks like. And then next one. And the next one is Boogeyman. If y'all know who Boogeyman is. And yeah, these guys are, I've never seen, like, there's one problem with these. I can't move him that well. Whoa, what the heck is this? But look, this is a Boogeyman, and this is my favorite, barely. He's actually one of my favorite wrestlers. I know next year I'm working in the SmackDown vs. Raw game that I'm going to be playing next year, the 2007. Boogeyman's going to be in it. So spoiler alert, get ready. So, alright, I'm going to stop the video. Alright guys, so those are where the wrestlers are at. This is where they're going to be staying at, for anyone that wants to look at them. These are collectibles, just like the Legos up there, and the OTV. And we got Nintendo and Super Nintendo games over there. So if y'all ever come and visit me, be sure to take a look at these collections. Okay, hope y'all enjoyed this video.
Thanks everyone for watching the video, and please subscribe for more.
Alright guys, the video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch a playlist of videos such as WWE, GTA, and Fortnite, and other stuff. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. And make sure that bell lights up. Until next time, bye guys.